Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2021 Chevrolet Traverse. This vehicle is featured in white metallic paint with black alloy rims. We also have black Chevrolet bow ties, rear privacy tint, heated and cooled seats, heated steering wheel, lumbar support, backup camera, power liftgate, and dual sunroofs. Moving on to the interior of the Traverse. On the door panel we have our black leather, chrome door handle, memory seat option, window and mirror controls, as well as our liftgate controls, a Bose speaker, and storage. Side of the seat we have our powered adjustable seats and lumbar support, our lighting controls, gauge cluster with screen, multifunction leather wrapped heated steering wheel, our push start, infotainment screen with backup camera, navigation, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, and our storage behind. Below that we have our dual zone climate controls, heated and cooled seats, charging outlets, and wireless charging pad. Our gear selection stock, 2 cup holders, electric park brake and all-wheel drive controls. Our key here, you can see our liftgate controls and remote start. Padded leather center console lid. Front seats featured in black leather with copper stitching and perforated leather in the lower and back portion of the seat. We have our rear view mirror with rear view camera built in, OnStar controls and sunroof and moonroof controls overhead, as well as 3 garage door openers and dual sunroofs. Back onto the exterior, we can see our black alloy rims with red striping. We have our black metallic mirror caps and door handles, rear privacy tint, and then around to the back of the vehicle we have our blacked out taillights, Traverse all-wheel drive badging, and dual exhaust. Open up our power liftgate here. We'll see inside we have the rear seats folded down, our rubber protective mats, plenty of storage room. Now on to the rear interior of the Traverse. On our door panel we have our chrome door handles, window switch, cup holders, speaker, and storage. Back of the front seats we have our leather magazine holders. Then back of the center console area we have our rear climate controls, charging outlets, and heated seat options. We have our rear bucket seats, again a sunroof overhead. And then in the far rear, currently folded down, is our 60/40 split. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of the 2021 Chevrolet Traverse. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily Chevrolet videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.